Anyway, Magic here. I made some pin mail. This is Mercari order. I ordered a couple things. And I'm gonna take them all out. Can't count them all. The first thing I got was this Elsa piece for the Elsa, the Frozen set, the Frozen mystery box set. And then I got, hold on, I got the Kristoff piece too. These are for my friend Elsa. She's working on the Frozen puzzle. So I got those for her. They're actually like a really cheap price. That's why I bought them. I was like, I'll just buy these because they're cheap. I was like, I bought all this stuff because it was really cheap. And I was like, I wouldn't have bought it if it was expensive. Then, from the 35th anniversary of The Little Mermaid, I got the Ariel and Trenton pin. I'm going to put this in my traders. I thought it would be a trader. I know people are probably looking for this pin. And a lot of people collect Ariel. And then I got a Wish mystery box. With the 2 pins in it. So I'll be unboxing this in a separate video. I thought it'd be good for good traders. It was really cheap and I was like, oh, these will be great traders. But that's all I got for now, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.